Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create a fire glow text effect using gradient editor. Type your text and resize the layer. Open gradient overlay and edit the gradient strokes. Use dark red, orange and yellow to mimic fire. Set blending mode to the overlay and also add a outer glow with warm tone and spread slightly. Duplicate text layer and apply cushion blur. Add sparks using custom brush. Now darken background for strong contrast. Enhance glow with another gradient on top layer. It now looks like burning molten typography. Gradient editor gives perfect flame and color control. Thanks.